This video explains how you can claim your property through your Business Rates Valuation Account. Throughout this video, we will use an example address. We will be showing screenshots from the Find a Business Rates Valuation service. Before watching this video, you will need to sign in or register for a Business Rates Valuation Account. We have a YouTube video on how to register titled Business Rates Valuation Account Registration. Firstly, log in to your Business Rates Valuation Account on gov.uk. Go to the Your Properties section on the dashboard and select the link that refers to the number of properties you have. In this example, we will select the You Have 61 Properties link. Next, click Add a Property. To find your property, you can use a postcode or the street and town of the address. In this example, we will enter the postcode of the property. To claim your property, find the correct address and select Claim this property. This will take you through to a screen titled Add a Property to your account. When you are ready to begin, click Start Now to select your connection to the property. If you own the property, select Owner. If you are the tenant of the property, select Occupier. If you are both the owner and the tenant, select Owner and Occupier. Next, you will be asked when you became the owner or occupier of the property. You will then be asked if you still own or occupy the property. Select Yes or No to arrive at the final stage. To prove how you are connected to the property, we will ask you to provide evidence. If you are the owner of the property, or both the owner and occupier, we will ask you to provide your business rates bill. If you are the occupier of the property, we will ask you for your lease or licence. If you don't have these documents, you can also provide service charge statement, stamp duty land tax form, land registry title, water rate demand, or a utility bill. Select Choose File and upload your lease, licence or bill. The file must be a Word document, Excel spreadsheet, PDF or image. The evidence you upload must clearly show a link with the property you are trying to claim. For example, the name of the organisation might link your evidence with the property. If it does not, an explanation of why it is different should be given. Finally, tick the declaration and confirm your details. Your property claim is then submitted. For further information on business rates, go to gov.uk.